Let's jump right in. The first thing I would do is look for a zero exponent. I don't see one. I do have a fraction, so let's see if we see anything we can cancel top and bottom that are exactly the same. I see threes, top and bottom. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. X to the 4. Hey, there's an x to the 4th. How nice. All right, I have y's, but I don't have just a plain y. So that's it as far as canceling at this point. So I would go ahead and get rid of, this negative exponent. So I've got y cubed times 4x cubed, and there's a y on the bottom already. And then this y to the negative 1 needs to go to the bottom and become y to the positive 1. Okay. Now, remember, there are different ways to go about even that, just that one step. You might have done it in a slightly different order or different way, and we can still arrive at the same correct answer, which is kind of cool about that. It also makes it more challenging because you have options. Okay, so now I'm looking to see what do I have here. So at least on the bottom, I know y times y, that's y squared, right? So I have y cubed over y squared. And remember, there's a couple of good ways to do this. You can subtract the exponents. Y to the 3 minus 2 power is y to the first, which means we have a y on the top. Or you can say, well, y cubed is 1, 2, 3 of them multiplied together. Y squared is 1, 2 of them, and then divide out what's in common, and you still end up with 1y. So, and since there's no fraction, you know that it's in the top. Okay. So the y cubed divided by y squared leaves us with y, and there's nothing else to combine with the 4 and the x cubed. So as far as a final answer goes, I would say just you're going to see the 4 in front for sure, and then you might see yx cubed or you might see x cubed y. I'd probably put x cubed y just to have it in alphabetical order. I don't know, it just looks right to me. So but if you had 4y and then you had x cubed, that would be okay too. I don't see anything wrong with that. All right, hope that helps. See you next time.